Bro,
Bruh.
I am totally drained.
Me too, bro. Me too.
You have the same problem I do. All of your electronic devices that you use to connect to social media and work are at 0% battery.
Oh, that kind of drained. Yeah, definitely that.
It's cool, bro. It's all right. It's a problem a lot of people have, you know? So we're going to provide a solution on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap.
Yeah, good tech cheap. Let's go.
Here we go. Hey everyone, well, what's up, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. He's your host, Adron.
And he's your host, Kevin. And if you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
Because if you do, you'll learn about fantastic products like what we're about to show you today. What's that?
That is the TOMSENN GaN PD charger.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Yeah!
Yeah, I did good.
Well, it is a 65-watt GaN Tech powered USB-C power delivery system. It can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously.
That means at the same time.
Exactly. Oh, but Kevin, Adron, what kind of devices? Your Surface Pros, your Nintendo Switches, your Google Pixels, your phones, your MacBook Pro 15.4-inch screen, 0 to 100% in 2 hours.
15-inch MacBook Pro, 0 to 100% battery in 2 hours?
2 hours.
That's better than what they give you when you buy it from Mac. I didn't say that, by the way.
As we said, it can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously with 3 different ports. 2 Type-C ports and 1 smartphone port, all at the same time.
Right, I think that's pretty excellent. Look how small it is, too. This is the box it comes in. It's actually much tinier than that. We'll show you in just a moment by plugging a bunch of stuff into it.
Ooh.
Hands-on demonstration time. And just to point it out just once more, 65 watts of power. Very smart of them to include that. That is a lot of power. You can actually charge all those devices this guy right here was telling you about at the same time.
And with that GaN Tech, it is, as we said, very small, but contains maximum efficiency and doesn't overheat.
Buy something that has protection that will not have that happen, such as this from TOMSENN.
And as we said before, universal compatibility with Surface Pros, iPads, MacBooks, AirPods, smartphones, you name it, it can charge it. Look at this. 3 different ports, but super small. In fact, it's smaller than this credit card.
That is pretty small.
Look at that.
That's tiny.
Very tiny. It is literally half the size. It is half the size of this credit card right here. That's incredibly small. Not only that, the advanced power of the GaN technology gets this USB-C charger to be smaller while maximizing charging efficiency. 3 times faster with less heat.
Less heat, you say?
Generating a lot less heat.
That's great. Well, that's what you get with the GaN PD charger. Now, just to point out again, this is an episode of Good Tech Cheap. And the tech that we feature on this show is meant to be affordable. And this battery charger right here is no exception to that rule. Normal price is $35.99.
Yes, but if you click on that link in the description below, you can get this same product for a discount. Just for our viewers.
Discount, right? Yeah, that's right. It's a special Good Tech Cheap discount. Click on that link and find out what the discount is. You'll be happy you did.
Yes.
We'll be happy you did.
And with this charger, you will get a 12-month warranty and 1 cable. Add more if you like.
There's customer support too if you need it. But, with something like this, it's very straightforward. You plug it in, you plug your devices in, and you just watch it work because it works. Don't believe us? Well, shame on you, number one. Also, we can show you over there.
Let's go.
Well, that was pretty simple, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
If only the rest of life was as simple as plugging in your battery charger and plugging in your devices and everything just works.
Thank you so much to Thomsen for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to buy this charger, please click on that link in the description below.
Please do so. Once again, normal price $35.99. There is a discount. Check out the discount. And also, please check out more Good Tech Cheap videos.
Yes, indeedy. If you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification to be notified when we drop a new video.
Alright. Well, I think we can wipe our hands clean with this one because we've reviewed an excellent product that does its job, that comes in at a great price. There's no confusion. There's no other issue with it. Good to go. We're good to go.
I agree. We're good to go.
All of you out there, all of you are good to go too.
So, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Adron.
I've been your host, Kevin.
Stay safe.
Be kind.
And have a nice day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.